Hi guys, so today I have one more review for you from Diamond Press. They did send these items free for my review. All opinions are my own, as I always let you guys know. So this is one more item that they're going to be demoing on Craft Day on HSN on March 3rd. They are available for purchase right now though, this set, this particular set, and so are the Tiny Notes, which we already went over, which is the set that created this little cutie here. And keep an eye out for the alphabet with the hollow foils, right? And they do have some sets available right now, but this particular one, I'm not sure if it's up yet or not, because the way I film videos, who knows when things change. But so this set, I'm really excited to try out, because like I said, I don't have anything to really look at, or like a demo, or even like a mock-up card or some kind of idea. So this one I'm like curious about, and it kind of makes me nervous, because hopefully I do it justice. It's the Diamond Press Celebration Scratch Stamps and Dies. Scratch Stamps and Dies. So I was like, So let's open this up. Again, like I mentioned, sometimes the items I receive from them are items that they might have taken pictures of or needed for other purposes. So that's why it's open and it looks the way it does. But normally, of course, what you get at home is going to be packaged similarly, but a little bit different, right? A little more tucked away here. So let me open this up and see what this is about. To be honest, I have no idea. I'm assuming obviously some kind of scratch, reveal something product. So here we have some metal shims, which they do include with their shaker card kits also. So sometimes you might need this for the acetate portion of it. So we'll see what we need this for here. And then we have the cutting folder. We do have 2 sets of stamps. And they have lots of things. Wishing you a, and then I guess, happy day or whatever else you might want to have. Happy Mother's Day. We're having a baby. That's so sweet. Hello, I love you. You did it. The little heart. You're the best. Lots of happiness. Let me put this behind here. Sorry. All the best. I love the handwriting on this. It's really cute. Or type, I guess. So it depends on how you want to see that there. Beautiful life together. You're the best. Thanks. Surprise. I read you're the best already twice. It's and then you have the scratch off. That is really cute. With all these gender reveal parties people have, right? So it's and then you have the scratch off, and then they have the words that say scratch off or scratch off, and it has like a little swirly arrow. Girl, happy birthday, congrats, scratch off, so you can put that right on there. Love you, you're a star, you're amazing. Scratch here, that's really cute. Happy birthday, let's celebrate, and then a bunch of fun little stamps. Oh, we have more. We have our instructions, which we will definitely need. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so I'll check those out in just a second. We have this portion, which I believe is obviously the scratch off material, probably. Let me see here. Ooh. Yes, this is definitely like that gold scratch off stuff. And it's on acetate, and then it has a backing. So we will definitely be careful with those. I don't want to scratch them too early. And then we have a die set, which is really cute. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine the shaker cards you can make with this on top of, using them for this project here? I'm going to tear that open. Sorry. Oh, almost lost one. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute for shaker cards, especially like a shape like this. It's very classic, really fun. You have the balloon. You have like a little starburst or sun, circles, hearts, star. Really nice classic shaper. And I love this. I love this so much because I know on mydiamondpress.com they have a little set of nested hexagons, but they're sold out. So I was like, I'm gonna need to keep my eye out for that. So we have a couple here, and then we have the little flower. So let's read these instructions and see exactly what we're supposed to do here. So obviously the point is to, I guess your stamp, and then you put your little sticker, whatever cutout you make of the material, right? So you want to stamp your desired sentiment on a project, and then on the plastic folder, place the metal shim, scratch off sheet, plastic side down, then a metal die, cut shown, fold, cover over, and run through your Diamond Press, obviously, to pop it out, right? Remove the tape, paper, and place acetate over foam. Remove plastic backing and place over stamped phrase. Use stamps to add additional, desired phrases like the scratch off or happy birthday. Use a coin to scratch off top, revealing the phrase. So happy birthday, you rock. That is really cute. Now, as far as when it says remove the tape, paper, and place acetate over foam, I think that wording might be incorrect, because there is no foam that I know of. So let's try this out. Now, What am I gonna try it on? I don't know. So let me grab some paper that we can do the little stamp on there, and we can do our little cutout and things and see what this is all about. Okay, so I found some papers. Actually, I just went through my paper packs and I saw this, and the stripe attracted my eye here, and then the other opposite colors. But this is actually a printed cardstock called Jolly Holiday. So it has, like, you know, little gloves and things, but I am not using that part. I'm using the stripe paper. Did I say things? It's because Miranda, my little daughter, she likes to say cute things, and we say the things she says, and my husband's like, that's never correct her because it's so adorable. So she likes to say things. I don't know why. When she has a little lisp and a little extra. It's cute. So anyhow, let me put this to the side here. So we have our card base, and this is just a purple cardstock cut at 5.5 by 8.5. So I scored it at 4.25, basically right down the middle. So we have our card base, and I'm going to use it in this way. Landscape, I guess. We have this fun stuff, and I was thinking, you know what? No, I will use it. We always do everything just, we kind of got away from using our crocodile corner rounder. So I'm like, you know what? I want to round the corners just for something a little bit different. So you can do it to the card base too. I just haven't used this in so long. I thought, why not bring this out and just take a little edge off. Literally take a little edge off. Oop, that one. And let's see here. I think that'll be cute. And again, like I said, you could also round the corners on the card itself. But what I'm going to do is work on this separately. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this piece just to have the card base basically done. And since I'm sure you can probably just do your little sentiment and everything right on this because this is very flat the way I'm doing this card. But for now, I'll work on the pink piece. We're going to do our little decoration on there, our scratch off. And so I want to just work on it by itself. So I am going to use the balloons because I figure let's make a birthday card. And I'm going to use the larger balloon. And I'm going to do it something like this. So it says, hi birthday, and then, you know, whatever little message I want to put. So, hi birthday, you're the best. I love you. That's so sweet. I think the I love you will fit the smaller one. So it'd be cute also to have two scratch offs, right, in your little card. But I'm just going to do the one bigger balloon. And I'm going to use the smaller balloon as accent balloons. So, hi birthday, you're the best. Let's do you're the best. I'm going to bring out you're the best. And I'm going to bring out the happy birthday one. Just so I can kind of have an idea where I'm putting things. And I'm just going to stamp in black ink. I have this Finesse here, alcohol proof ink. It doesn't really matter, just the black ink. And let me see if this is going to stamp. Let me rough this up a little bit and try it out and see if I need to ink it up better. Okay. And hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Let me move some of this stuff around so you can still see what I'm doing here. And hopefully we'll be nice and straight. So I'm going to have a happy birthday. I don't know if that's straight. If it's not, I will turn it over. That's pretty good. I'm not going to complain about that. Okay. Happy birthday. And then we need whatever the other sentiment we chose here is. You're the best. And I'm going to put it... How big is the balloon? So cute. So I'm going to put it here and a little bit off to the side, like a little bit like that. Cute. You don't have to push too hard. I think I might have pushed it a little bit hard because I got a little overstamping, but that's okay. Let me put that to the side. So we have our sentiment. So now what we're going to do is bring this stuff over, and we are going to use one strip of this. And these strips are really nice and long, so there's plenty of product on here. And it doesn't say to do this. I'm going to go ahead and cut this down just so I don't end up damaging some of this other one. I don't mess it up and keep it pristine for the next time I want to use this. So I'm going to cut this off. And I'll put that back in the packaging in just a minute. Put this to the side. Be careful with this so you don't end up scratching it too early. I'm going to end up scratching it off anyway just to show you guys how it works. So I guess it'll just be for me to see, but for us to see together. So let's get this out. We need one of the metal shims. And it does say that the shims can warp, and it's good for several cuts, of course. So let's place the metal shim on your plastic folder. Okay. And it tells you here to use it in the following order. Right now it says clear acetate sheet is second, but really it's this stuff. And then we're going to put our scratch off sheet, plastic side down, so it's not really plasticky feeling, but that's how that is. And then we have the thing, and then our metal die with the, obviously the cutting edge facing into this stuff here. Close it up. Not too tight there, I can move it over. And we're gonna run it through our diamond press, which always holds on real good, so I gotta make sure to release it from the surface here. And we're gonna bring it back over here. So as you can see, it did warp this little guy because it's just a very thin little metal, but you can reuse that. Aw, it just has a fun feel to it. Okay, let's get this off of here very carefully. I might be too careful because I just don't want to mess up my stuff here. So we're gonna take this back piece off. So this backing is pretty thick, so I'm gonna try to do this for you guys, but also eyeball it. I'm kind of splitting right there. So it's a nice thick white backing, but when you peel this off, this is like a sticker, and you see that, and that's basically your functionality there. So wherever you put it on here is what's gonna cover up, aw, that little area. I'm just barely gonna tap it. I'm gonna put this to the side for a second. And then we're gonna do a couple little just fun balloons. So I'll just cut out a couple more balloons with like this purple, the purple paper I have here. And I think I stamped on the back of this paper that I wanted to use. Did I not? Yes, I did. So I'm gonna cut out a couple balloons that have some of the stripe there. Maybe like that. And that makes a really quick card because I'm almost done. Just gonna put it together right here with a fun effect. And like I said, you can put 2 or 3 different elements that I'll have scratch off, which would be really cute, real extra. But I'm telling you, this set for making little shaker cards, I'm probably gonna do a video doing that because there's so many cute little shapes in here, and you can just kind of match them up and make your little shaker cards. It'd be adorable. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And here we go. Yeah, just a couple little balloons. And let me get my dimensional adhesive I prefer to use. Actually, let me stick this down here first. Let's go ahead and stick this to our card base. Make sure your card is opening the right way. And I'm just gonna grab some my tape runner. But like I said, it was pretty flat. I mean, you probably could have worked on this if you had taped this down already, but I just wanted to make sure that's all crazy, but that's okay. There we go. And I would not make this dimensional, like if you wanted to pop this up just because we like doing things like that, because they're going to scratch it off and they're going to push it down through, you know what I'm saying? If you're scratching it, you're going to push it in here, so let's not do that. And we have our little guys. I don't know how I want to put these. I kind of like this way. Okay. So we'll add some dimension with these little guys. And this is just 3D Collal gel, glue gel that I've put in here. Yeah, something like that. Okay, quick and easy, and I think this is gonna be really fun. That is my card. Now I have to go grab a coin. I would just use my nails, but I don't know. It's just use a coin, so let's try that out. So we have our happy birthday, and then we'll have whatever's in there. Obviously, you can write your note inside. Let me go grab a coin, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, we're just there. And if you want to finish this up, maybe draw a little black like squiggle line. But I think the Celebrations kit, I'm pretty sure it has a cute little stamp that has like a little tie, you know, for your balloon. So that'd be cute to use that up. So let's go ahead and do this. Aww. Oh, and it works really easily. Oh, have you ever gotten one of those mailers or something they send you and they're like, scratch offs? They're so hard sometimes. So that is really cute and very easy to use. So that's good. Aww. I want to leave a little bit because I want to take the pictures to kind of show the effect of this, but it says you're the best. Isn't that cute? Very easy to use. So that's great. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much, Diamond Press, for sending this for my review. Again, keep an eye out for the demos. If it makes it there, if they have them, they will have the shows there on March 3rd on HSN. They are available now to purchase, and that's why I said if they're still available, because a lot of times things sell out earlier in the day, or they move things around. So keep an eye out for it. If you want to go ahead and grab it now, that's up to you. Oh my goodness, you guys! I was starting to edit, and I just realized I didn't put the instructions on here. We know what we were doing with scratching off, but your recipient doesn't know, right? So there's a few different ones, really cute. Like if you wanted to put that with the little arrow, we have this other one that's kind of pointing up. But I think for this one we're gonna use the one that's kind of curved, so it says scratch off. And oh, I'm so silly. I'm over here signing off, saying goodbye, ready to edit, and I'm like, oh, the scratch off part. So let me just dip this again, and let me tell you, this is not the best for stamping. Like if you're stamping, I would use a quick dry or even the waterproof dye ink. It just is nice and crisp, like Versamark or something like that. This one is a little bit too watery sometimes, or whatever they make it out of. I think it's just a dye ink, yeah. So just to let you know. But let me put that, and I'm just gonna put it like off to the side right here. Oh my goodness, super cute. Okay guys, so everything I said before still stands. Very cute, very easy to use. Keep an eye out for it. You can purchase it now. Like I said, it's already available at hsn.com, and I will see you guys at the next one. Bye now.